In a classroom in Tarikom, northern Ghana, this teacher is keeping lessons going with help from something called a school in a box. It's a simple kit, but it's making a big difference, especially for children who fled conflict. One of them is 12-year-old Zore Samadu. He escaped Burkina Faso after jihadist attacks destroyed his village.
There were conflicts in our area. They came to our community and we ran. When we were running, we couldn't bring anything. We couldn't bring books, pen, pencils, our school uniforms. And when we came here, they helped us with so many things, and that helped me to learn.
The UNICEF School in a Box kits are designed for situations just like this, helping children keep learning even in the middle of a crisis. Teachers say the impact is immediate.
The school in the box came in handy to help them. Anytime I'm teaching mathematics or any subject, I can just open the box, look at the shapes I want, anything I want, it gets in the box. So I'll just give it to them. It makes learning so simple.
This school in Tarikom received about 258 asylum seekers, primarily pushed by jihadist extremists in Burkina Faso. Many of them came without clothing and learning materials. Across Ghana, around 17,000 Burkinabe refugees have been registered, with more than 2,000 now living in the Tarikom camp. Despite the challenges, many refugees say they feel welcomed and supported.
The Ghanaians have done well for us. They have given us a lot of support, food, clothing, and shelter. Our lives were disrupted back in Burkina Faso because of the jihadists. But people here welcomed us into their homes even before the government intervened.
Local leaders say helping was never in question.
When they arrived, we had no problems with them. We welcomed them as if they were in their own hometowns. They came here traumatized, and when you see people in that condition, you need to help. Because we know this could happen to anyone. We supported them. Some were even given land to farm.
The growing numbers mean classrooms are more crowded than ever. But for students like Samadu, just being able to learn again means everything.
I am hoping to be a lawyer, and now that I am here, by the grace of God, I will be a lawyer in future.
And despite the pressure on resources, it is this mix of community support, government effort, and help from partners like UNICEF that is keeping hope alive and dreams within reach for thousands of children.